In this video, I'll show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17 on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for VMware Workstation Pro 17 Download TechSpot. From the search results, open the TechSpot download page for VMware Workstation Pro. Make sure you select the correct version for your system. Look for VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. Once you find the Windows version, start the download and wait until the installer file has finished downloading. After the download is complete, open the installer. Windows may ask for administrator permission. If this happens, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. The VMware Workstation Pro installation wizard will now open. Click Next to begin the setup process. You will first see the license agreement. Read through the terms, then accept the agreement to continue. Click Next. The installer will now ask where you want VMware Workstation Pro to be installed. For most users, the default installation location is recommended. Continue to the next step. You may also see additional options such as update preferences and joining the Customer Experience Improvement Program. Then you'll see the shortcut preferences. Choose the options that match your needs, then continue. After reviewing the installation settings, click Install. The installation process will begin. Depending on your computer speed, this may take a few minutes while VMware copies the required files and configures the necessary components. When the process is finished, click Finish to close the installer. You can now open VMware Workstation Pro from the Start menu or from the desktop shortcut if you selected one during installation. The first time you launch VMware Workstation Pro, you may need to complete additional setup steps depending on your installation and licensing options. Once everything is ready, you can start creating virtual machines and installing other operating systems inside Windows. VMware Workstation Pro is now installed and ready to use. For more tech tutorials, guides, and software installation walkthroughs, check out our other videos.